Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Continuing to our AutoCAD Civil 3D class. Today we will make sample land for this element which we created. You can see the station label. Then we create profile, the natural ground. This is our surface and this is the design of the road. After that we created assembly, which is an AutoCAD we call typical section. Then we created corridor. Listen, you can see here is the corridor. After create assembly, you can create corridor, and this is the surface. The top surface or the bottom surface of the road. Because to calculate the volume of cut fill, we must need two surfaces. Between two surfaces, we can calculate volume of cut fill. So you can see the shape, the 3D view of this surface, the side slope connected to the natural ground. Okay, today we will create section. Section means sample line. Sample line, anywhere we want to know the section of the road, so at the station we will create sample line. I will select this surface and I will send it to back. Also the corridor, I will send it to back to select my alignment. Okay, then I will come to home tab, and from here I will select sample line. Sample line and cut section at a user specified station. You can on your own choice you can create asking for select alignment, and here you can see the name of this sample line group. By default it's the name. If I did not change, it will be the parent alignment name. The name of my alignment will appear here. Then the next counter mean if it's 1 2 3, it will appear here. I can change also, so I will change to main road. From here, this is the sample line style, the sample line label style. Also you can select from here, or you can change later. Okay, from here you will assign for each surface to its style. Suppose for the natural ground surface, you can see there is existing ground section style. For corridor, as I always use view edit, so I will select view edit. For this surface is this one for the bottom or bottom, and the other one for the top. If you remember in the previous class, I created two surfaces, so I will select the finished ground style section style for this. Let's make it both the same style. Okay, so after that it's asking me to click in anywhere. From this sample line tool, you can create sample line group, you can edit, you can delete, you can select from drawing, and from here if you see there is by range of station, add station. Add station mean if you click anywhere, it will the section will appear here, the sample line. From corridor line you can create because we can create corridor each 10 meter, so it will appear 10 meter. From pick on the screen you can click here, and the last option is from polyline. You can select from polyline. When you click OK, this the properties of the alignment, the sample line, It's saying from start of the element to end of the element. The width mean the left side and the right side width. If the width of the road is more, so you should give width as according to your standard or typical section. Then these are the sampling increment. So each 25 meter I will create. Then at range start and end. If you did not change this to true, from the start and end the sample line will not create. And then click OK. Now you can see. Then press enter or space. And now you can see is 25 meter a sample line created. Okay, these all from start to end. Now we have sample line. So if I want to check the properties, sample line properties, I can change or edit the one sample line property from here only. If you select, it will change the same changes we make from the start. Here is offset on the left side and on the right side where the design surface ending, so it's showing the width. Okay, if I click here and I go to simple line group property, it means it will change all the group of the sample line property. Okay, there are the material list. This is the section view section as I assign style from the start. From here the sample line, this is the information of the sample line. From here the you can see sample line is outside more. This is more in the width as compared to the road. So select the first one, then press shift and then change anyone here, and you can see it's all changes. I'm reducing the width of the sample line, so it will create section accordingly. Now you can see both the side I create 30 meter, and then edit group label. From here you can change the sign sample line style. From here what style you feel is looking good, so you can change that style. There are options inside this group property, or from outside of the toolbar you can change that also. From here if you click on the sample line, you can from here you can also change, or from the sample line label you can assign the label of any sample line, and you can see it's changing only the section mark, not here in front of the sample line group. You must change the style. Okay, now you can see each time I change the style, it's changing automatically. Okay, there are other options also, you should try that. So these are the style station showing each section sample line station. So this was the method how you will create a sample line for the road. Hopefully you will practice on it. So this was today video. Thank you.